Very good morning, students. Welcome to mathematics class. Myself, Praveen. Uh, the last class we have discussed integral topic, and we have discussed the basic concept in the integrals, and we have started some problems regarding the integrals. Today we will continue with the problems. The problem is it is assertion reasoning problem. Last class, the last problem was also assertion reasoning problem. The question is integration from 0 to pi. Assertion statement A is 0 to pi sine power 7x dx. This is a 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sine power 7x dx. And the reason is sine power 7x is an odd function. Sin power 7x is an odd function. Let us check which option is correct here. Integration from 0 to pi sin power 7x dx. In that f of x is sin power 7x into dx, or f of x is sin power 7x. Let us check whether this function is even function or odd function. By substituting x equal to minus x, this becomes f of minus x equal to sin power 7 minus x. We know that sin minus x is minus sin x, and minus power 7 is minus only. This is minus sin power 7x, and this is nothing but minus f of x. Minus f of x. So f of minus x is minus f of x. What it mean that? It mean that f of x is a odd function. What is the given function? F of x is the odd function. So here reason is right. F of x is odd function, but assertion is wrong. In the formula integration from 0 to a f of x dx, its value is 2 times 0 to a by 2 f of x dx, when if it is even function. If f of minus x equal to that is f of minus x equal to plus f of x, even function, the formula is 2 times a by 2. Here we have 0 to pi, then 2 times 0 to pi by 2. The formula is used if the given function is even function, but the given function is an odd function. If it is odd function, then its value is 0. The statement reason is correct. It is odd function. If it is odd function, then its answer should be 0. Its answer should be 0. But what is given here? 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin power x sin power 7 x dx. So this is wrong. Assertion is wrong and reason is right. Assertion is wrong and reason is right. The fourth option is correct here. Okay. So you need to remember the properties of integral. The property of integral says that 0 to a f of x dx, it is equal to 2 times 0 to a by 2 f of x dx if it is even function, and 0 if it is odd function. The reason is sin power 7x is an odd function. Yes, it's an odd function. Okay, odd function means its answer should be 0, but in the assertion is given that its value is 2 times 0 to pi by 2, means that is wrong. Odd function is its value should be 0. Okay, so that's why the assertion is wrong and reason is right. So A is false, R is true. Let us move to the next problem. So this problem is integration 1 divided by 4 sin square x plus 9 cos square x dx. This is in the form of 1 divided by a sin square x plus b cos square x. We have to change this function as a tan square. We have to change the given function as tan square here. This function is changed as a tan square by dividing the throughout equation by cos square. Both numerator and denominator divided by cos square. Numerator 1 by cos square, it becomes sec square. Denominator 4 sin square x is there. The sin square is divided by cos square, it become tan square, and cos square by cos square, it become 1. So let us divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. If we divide both numerator and denominator cos square by x, then the numerator become 1 by cos square x is sec square x dx. And denominator is 4 into sin square by cos square, that is tan square x. And plus 9 into cos square by cos square is 1. Okay, and substituting that is 2 tan x is equals to t. Substituting 2 tan x equal to t, because this can be written as 2 tan x whole square. 2 square is 4 tan square x. The 4 tan square x can be written as 2 tan x whole square. So that's why I'm taking 2 tan x is equal to t, and 2 as it is, derivative of tan x is sec square x dx, and this is equal to dt. And what is the numerator? Numerator is only sec square x dx. I'm taking into 2 to RHS, so this become sec square x dx is equals to dt by 2. Let us substitute this. Let us substitute this in the given integral. Then sec square x dx, this become dt, and divided by this 4 tan x, 4 tan x. In place of this 4 tan square x, I am writing here t square, and 9 I am writing as a 3 square. This is in the form of 1 divided by a square plus x square form. And we know that integration of 1 divided by a square plus x square, it is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. What is the integration of 1 divided by a square plus x square? 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is dt by 2. So that dt by 2, 1 by 2 we can write here. This become 1 by 6 tan inverse. And what is t value? What we have substituted t, that is 2 tan x. And this become 2 tan x divided by 3 plus c. The answer is 1 by 6 tan inverse 2 tan x by 3, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 tan inverse, either first or third, or fourth is correct here. The first option is minus 1 by 6, that is wrong. And last is plus 1 by 6, that is right. 1 by 6 tan inverse 2 tan x by 3 plus c is the answer. The given question, this is in the form of 1 divided by a x square plus b y square into dx. In this type of function, we have to substitute tan x equals to t, but we should change the given function as tan x. If it is in the form of tan x, then only we can replace the tan x here. Okay na? So by dividing cos square x, we have changed the given function as a tan square x. Clear? Okay. Let us move to the next problem. Now, in this question, integration of cos x divided by under root sin square x minus 2 sin x minus 3. We are writing this given under root term as a perfect square. We have sin square x minus 2x minus 3. I am writing that under root term in a perfect square by using completing square method, because we know that 1 divided by under root a square plus x square formula, 1 divided by x square minus a square, x square plus a square, all formulas we know. So we are converting this denominator quadratic expression as a perfect square. Let us consider that under root term, that is sin square x minus 2 sin x minus 3. Converting this as a perfect square, by first term I am writing sin square x, middle term I am writing minus 2 sin x. If you compare these two terms, which is in the form of a square minus 2ab, a square minus 2ab. So let us find the b value. The completing square method is we are identifying the value of b and we are adding and subtracting the square of b square, the square of the b, that become the perfect square. Okay. Here half the coefficient of sin x is uh, 2 sin x. Sin x coefficient is 2 and half of the 2 is 1, then the value of b is 1, adding 1 square and subtracting 1 square, that minus 3 as it is. The first two terms are in the form of a square minus 2ab. We need to identify b, and adding b square and subtracting b square, it become a minus b whole square. So b value is half the coefficient of sin x. The sin x coefficient is 2 and its half is 1. Adding 1 square and subtracting 1 square. So together the first three terms, it become a minus b whole square. And 1 square is 1, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 can be written as 2 square. Then the given integral become cos x dx divided by under root sin x minus 1 whole square minus 2 square. In this you can see that we can substitute sin x minus 1 equal to t, and sin x derivative is cos x here. So we can substitute sin x minus 1 as a t. Sin x minus 1 is equal to t. Derivative of sin x is cos x and minus 1 derivative is 0 into dx, it is equal to dt. So directly we can write cos x dx as a dt divided by under root t square minus 2 square. And we know that this is in the form of 1 divided by under root x square minus a square. The formula is log of x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. This is the formula. So in this formula, we are replacing t value. This become log of what is t? T is sin x minus 1. That is sin x minus 1 plus under root. If you simplify that, t square minus 2 square by substituting t value is sin x minus 1, that become the given question, that is sin square x minus 2 sin x minus 3 plus c. So we are checking for this option in the 4 given options, that is log of sin x minus 1. You can see that log of sin x minus 1 plus log of sin x minus 1, either first or second it is. Okay, and any one of these, either first or second, is the correct option. In under root, the first term is positive, the second and third are negative. The first term is positive sin square x and the second and third term are negative. It means the first option is correct. The first option, sin square x minus 2 sin x minus 3, sin square x minus 2 sin x minus 3. That the first option is correct for this question. Clear? So in this way, by substitution method, we are integrating the given integral. Let us move to the next problem. Integration of e power ax, divided by under root 1 minus a power 2x. We are finding its answer. So we can write here the given question as a power x divided by under root 1 minus a power x whole square into dx. A power x divided by under root 1 minus a power 2x is there. Then we can write it as a power x whole square. If a power raised by another power, both powers are multiplied, again we'll get 2x only. So here we are substituting a power x is equals to t. Then what is a power x derivative? A power x into log a into dx is equals to dt. We required only a power x dx. Log a I am taking to RHS, it become a power x into dx is equal to dt by log a. Let us substitute the values here. What we are writing in place of a power x into dx, that is dt divided by log a into root 1 minus t square. This is equal to 1 by log a. 1 by log a, this is a constant. I am writing outside as it is, and we know that 1 divided by under root 1 minus t square is sine inverse t. That is sine inverse t plus c. And replacing t value, the answer become 1 divided by log a sine inverse what we have considered t, that is a power x, that become sine inverse a power x plus c, 1 by log a. Let us check this answer. Minus 1 by log a, not minus, it is plus 1 by log a. 1 by log a, 1 by log a, 1 by log a. So first option is wrong here. Why it is wrong? Because the answer is negative, but our answer is positive there. The first option is wrong. And in the remaining second and third option, we have sine inverse. Our answer is sine inverse. The fourth option containing cos inverse, the fourth option is also wrong. Among second and third is the correct answer. You can see that in the second option minus a power x is there, but in the third option we have plus a power x. In the answer we have plus a power x. The third option is correct, second option is wrong. So this is the way that we are finding the value of integral, that is a power x divided by under root 1 minus a power 2x. This is the answer. Which option is correct here? The third option is right for the given question. Understood, students? Here in these integrals means these three problems, this problem, previous two problems. In these three problems, in the integrals, it is given the function and its derivative in the given question. So in that case, what happens? We have to substitute the function f of x as a t, and derivative f dash of x dx become dt. By the substitution method, we have integrated these three and we identified our correct option. Understood now? So you run this video very slowly, then you come to know that what is the concept and how we are integrating these functions. Okay, then easily you can understand this. Clear? Okay, let us move to the next problem. Okay, the next problem is integration of 1 divided by x square minus x plus 1. We are finding the integration of this function. Let us write the given denominator as a perfect square by completing square method. Now only we have discussed this kind of problem. 14th problem, the denominator is sin square x minus 2 sin x minus 3. That we have converted that function as a perfect square. So this question also we are converting as a perfect square, and then we are integrating. Okay, let us consider this x square minus x plus 1. Identifying the value of b, the first two term is a square minus 2ab. We are identifying the value of b. Okay, if we know the value of b, then we should add b square and subtract b square. Clear? So what is b here? B value is half the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 1. Half of the 1 is half. Then x square minus x plus 1 by 2 whole square adding, and minus 1 by 2, sorry, minus 1 by 2 whole square we are subtracting. And lastly plus 1 it is as it is. Together these three term it become x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and remaining is minus 1 by 4 plus 1. On taking LCM this become, LCM is 2 and this become 2x minus 1 whole square, and this is 4, LCM is 4 and 4 minus 1 is 3, and this become plus 3 by 4, and we can write this function as and this we can write this function as dx divided by that is 2x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 4 can be written as root 3 by 2 whole square. If we write in this way, this become 1 divided by x square plus a square form. We know that integration of 1 divided by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. What is a value? Root 3 by 2. 1 divided by a is 1 divided by root 3 by 2. Okay, that is 1 divided by root 3 by 2 into tan inverse x is 2x minus 1 divided by 2. 2x minus 1 divided by 2, and divided by a is root 3 divided by 2 plus c. 1 divided by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. But the first term is not x. That first term is 2x minus 1 by 2 whole square. 2x minus 1 by 2. 2x minus 1 whole divided by 2 is a x. The derivative of 2x minus 2 divided by 2 is, I'm writing 1 by 2 as it is. 2x minus 1 derivative is 2. 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. Then we have to divide it by 1 also. And here this 2 cancel, and this become 2 divided by root 3 tan inverse 2x minus 1 divided by root 3 plus c is the final answer. Is the final answer. We are checking for this option 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. The second and fourth options are wrong because these two answers are minus 2 by root 3. Any one of the first or third is the correct answer. In the third option we have 2x plus 1, but in our answer we have 2x minus 1. Then the third option is wrong. The first option is right. That is 2 by root 3 tan inverse 2x minus 1 divided by root 3. Okay, so this is the way that we have integrated this function, and this is the answer. We'll continue in the continue with the next problem. The next problem is integration of 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x dx. We are integrating this function. The numerator is 1 minus tan square x, denominator is 1 plus tan square x. In trigonometry, we know that 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x formula is cos 2x. We can't integrate 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. If we substitute this as a cos 2x, easily we can integrate this. So we are substituting trigonometric formula that 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x as a cos 2x into dx. This become sin 2x divided by 2 plus c. What is cos 2x integration? Sin 2x divided by 2 plus c. So we are checking the answer, correct answer for this. The sin 2x by 2 is third answer. Third answer is right. That is sin 2x by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Next, let us move to the next problem. The next problem is 1 plus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos 2x. We are integrating this function 1 plus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos 2x. We know that 1 plus cos 2x, the trigonometric formula is 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. We are substituting that formula in this given question, that become 1 plus cos square x divided by 2 cos square x. 2 cos square x. There are two terms in the numerator. I have separated them and dividing the 2 cos square x to both the numerators. So this become 1 by 2 sec square x plus 1 by 2 into dx. 1 by 2 into dx. Why 1 by 2 into dx? Cos square x cancel. Only 1 by 2 remains here. Here 1 by 2 as it is, 1 by cos square x is sec square x. So I am taking 1 by 2, 1 by 2 common, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 common. Then it become 1 by 2 into sec square x plus 1 into dx. This is equal to 1 by 2 into sec square x integration is tan x and 1 integration is x plus c. 1 by 2 into tan x plus c is the final answer. We're checking for this option. You can see that in all the 4 options we have 1 by 2 common outside. So 1 by 2 common outside, that is plus 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2 means third option is wrong because we have minus 1 by 2 outside. And inside the bracket we have a tan x plus x. Tan x plus x. The first option is correct. The second and fourth option is wrong. Tan x plus x. That first option is right. Clear? So we are substituting a trigonometric identity to write the given function as integrable. The given function is not integrable directly. So that's why by substituting the formula it become integrable and we are integrating by substitution. Clear? Okay. Let us move to the next problem. Cos 4x into cos 7x. The two function cos 4x and cos 7x, they are in multiplication. In multiplication, we don't know the formula, that is u into v. We can't use a u into v formula to integrate this because at infinite it is not integrable. So that's why we are using a trigonometric formula, that is transformation formula. We are transferring this multiplication into addition or subtraction of the two terms. We know the formula that cos A into cos B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos A plus B. 1 by 2 into cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Using this transformation formula, the multiplication term become addition term. Then addition term can be integrated as it is directly here. So I am taking the 7x as A, 4x as B. Then cos 7x into cos 4x can be written as 1 by 2 into cos A plus B, 7 plus 4, 11x plus cos 7 minus 4 is 3x into dx. Now the terms which are in multiplication that changes to addition, we can integrate this function. So I am writing this 1 by 2 outside as it is. Cos 7x integration is, cos 11x integration is sin 11x divided by 11 plus cos 3x integration is sin 3x divided by 3 plus c. If we multiply this 1 by 2 inside, in the previous question we have not multiplied that 1 by 2 inside because all option having 1 by 2 outside. Now we are multiplying this 1 by 2 inside because there is no 1 by 2 common outside the bracket. Individual terms we have. So that's why I'm multiplying this 1 by 2 inside. So this becomes sine 11x divided by 2 11s are 22 plus sine 3x sine 3x divided by 3 2s are 6 plus c. We're checking for this option. Yes, where is the right answer? See, we don't have any negative term. We don't have negative term in the answer. You can see that the first option, third option, and fourth option there are negative terms. Only there is a term option third option which having a positive term, that is the right answer. Okay, we have a sine 11x, sine 11x by 22. We have sine 11x by 22 plus sine 3x by 6 plus sine 3x by 6 plus c is the right answer. Understood, student? So this is in this way we are integrating the functions and identifying the right answers. So today we will stop our class here. Okay, you run this video very slowly, understand the concept and try to solve the more problems yourself. Okay, thank you students. We stop here.